Curry way downtown. Bang! Steph Curry from just inside half court.
Curry pulls up from the logo. It's good! Curry with a little shimmy at midcourt and a timeout for Dallas.
Great rotation by the Lakers. James way outside. Hits the three. Long distance.
Chance to send the Thunder home. Lillard, long range three. And it's good! At the buzzer! Damian Lillard! Are you kidding me?
Here's the switch. It's Luka against Josh Richardson. Left side of the floor. Luka's three is a ring. And into Boston again!
Rebound Durant. Incredible opportunity. Durant for three. It's good.